Hi everyone, Alicia Kaye Fleet with eXp Realty here, and I'm here with Dan Boyd from Anchor Inspections, and he's going to tell you a little bit about the maintenance for our air exchangers and HRVs.
Here's our HRV, or heat recovery ventilator. These are probably one of the more notoriously neglected systems in our homes today, which is kind of odd because they deal with the breathing air that we have within the building. When we open up the unit, we can take the door off to make it easier for access. Inside most HRVs, there is cleaning instructions. HRVs should be cleaned, and this is something that homeowners should be doing themselves, a minimum every 3 months. Inside most units, there are 2 dust filters. These can be removed and cleaned. You'll see that they get full of bugs and all sorts of dirt and nasty debris. Clean these out with a mild detergent just in the sink and return them once they're dripped dry. Once a year toward the end of the summer, ideally, you can remove the entire core that slides out. Same thing, fill the laundry tub or fill the tub, use a mild detergent and soak this out for a couple of hours, let it drip dry out of the sun, and then reinstall. So secondary to inside maintenance of cleaning the HRVs or heat recovery ventilators is to ensure that the exterior hoods, especially on the intake side, so where the air is sucking in, are regularly cleaned as well, because they get full of dirt, debris, bugs, and all sorts of nasty little critters. So make sure that that stays clear to help improve your indoor air quality.
Thank you so much, Dan, for the information. Again, this is Alicia Kaye Fleet with eXp Realty. Please subscribe for more tips.